Hello everyone, welcome back to the next Bridear Born Again song. Sorry for the pause. Still waiting for a guy to fix my drain pump, but he's not coming, so I don't know if I have to interrupt this, you know why. Anyway, Real is Real, the next song. Yeah, so far quite enjoyed this album, and some of the songs I really like. Real is Real. Should tell that to some of these fact deniers. Anyway, here we go. Ooh, crunchy tone. Nice riffing, man. Love the growls. That sounds cool. That's not the most complex riff, but it's hitting hard. Really like this pre-chorus. I think it's even 3 vocal layers, like 1 in the middle and 2 on the sides. God damn. So the bass line here. Real is real. I mean, that is a real riff. I mean, maybe not as complex overall as things like Scar of Reunion or Born Again, but man, I dig the riff, I dig just their sound, and also something that I really liked about this song. I think we had it in the others as well, but maybe not. There are not screams at every song, and also I feel the vocal production had a bit more variety than in some of the other songs, I feel. Because, in the verse, it's just her, at least that's how I have to leave. I will, yeah. The vocal production, there was something about it. First, we had really just her voice. Sorry, I'm kind of distracted. Somebody knocked at my window. I have to go. First, it was just her single voice in the verse. Then we had in the pre-chorus also her voice with some of that growling, that screaming, and then we had the whole layering stuff with like 3 layers. If you like that or not, but still, I feel like that overall added some nice variety. So yeah, anyway, sorry I have to leave, but thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.